prayer, preparation, and positivity over family, over family.
So we decided to go camping one more time to make some great memories, and also wanted to use this as an opportunity for the kids to get out any feelings or vocalize anything they're thinking about concerning the move from Japan. Our next duty station will be Italy, so we wanted to really just let the kids be kids, have fun, and also do a little talking. We said we were going to talk about what you got from being here. I'm probably going to go right here.
Kumbaya.
Yeah, Kumbaya, my Lord. Kumbaya, Kumbaya, my Lord. Oh, he's still over. He's trying to make fire. Let me get it from this way.
I don't want to get later. Stay forever in the dungeon.
It might be the wood, Joe, though. He's trying so hard to make
This is a dry
fire.
tinder.
Yeah, but it may not, just, I don't understand. Like, there's more to be understood about how fire is made besides that.
It's a cloudy night. Ooh. That means yeah, look, I'm making a little show. Until it all
Here goes.
once.
Lana, you ain't gotta throw it.
That's cool.
So, they are dealing with many feelings. I'm dealing with many feelings. They can get feelings from my feelings. The anxiety that comes from getting everything prepared, getting everything organized, all of that can easily be put on them. And so I wanted to give them an opportunity to just talk about some of the good things they got from Japan.
I'm ready.
All right, Madeline, tell me the things that you've learned about yourself since being in Japan.
I've learned about my personality.
What did you learn about your personality?
How to maintain it at times. Oh, I've learned that it's never too early to start teaching kids about responsibility. Okay. I've also learned that to respect your ancestors.
And elders?
Yeah, elders too.
Okay. All right, what's some stuff you learned about? Where you hear that? What have you learned since you've been here?
How to study. That I like painting.
You like painting? Do you think you've learned how to be more independent? Huh?
No.
You walk to the store all by yourself here. You got goods from the store. What else have you learned?
I don't really know. I don't think I have anything else that I really learned.
Well, you still got a little while more here. I hope you have time to actually learn something about yourself. That's important. What's some things you've learned about yourself since you've been here?
Well, some of the Japanese food here, I never realized how much I liked it. And it's like, I never knew about this food before, but now that I've tasted it, I like it.
What about yourself personally? What have you learned about yourself?
I've learned deeper, about my hobbies and what makes me me.
What are some hobbies you like?
Well, I like gaming. I never started really drawing that much until we came here, so realized how much I like drawing and how good I am at it.
Okay. What about you, Joseph? What have you learned about yourself while you've been here?
Learn more about what I should be doing.
I can't understand what you're saying. Look up.
I learned more. I learned more about what I should be doing in my relationship with God and developing more in maturity and getting to like realize that this is like the final phase of like childhood, basically.
Wow. How does that make you feel, knowing these are the final years of what you think is your childhood?
It doesn't really make me feel anything.
Wow. Wow. Okay. What about you, dear? What are some things you've learned about yourself in Japan? Wow. Besides you like playing,
What you say?
what have you learned about yourself in Japan?
Still a lot more to go, a lot more to learn, a lot more to grow as a parent, as a husband, as a person. You had this idea where you think, or age, you think, oh yeah, I should be, in this area or this level or whatever the case may be, but ain't no telling how long it takes for you to get to where you want to go on your journey. I think the biggest thing is I learned I need to be more patient myself with other folks.
Seeing it as a journey instead of a destination.
Yeah, I do. That's a good way of putting it. I do need to see it as a journey. It really, a lot of times take time to enjoy it, because I don't do that all the time.
I'm using it right
So I think what I've learned, I keep learning that I can be strong, that I'm stronger than what I originally believed myself to be. I do agree with you. I think I've learned a lot about the journey and the process, and honestly the difference between like expectations versus reality, and being able to really hang tough and hang tight and be able to hang tight with reality, and what perseverance and what endurance really looks like. And I'm excited about what the future may hold, because I really think everybody collectively has learned a lot about themselves in Japan, and just being exposed to another culture. And so to see another culture, it definitely teaches us more about some stuff we didn't know, and maybe show us a different perspective in living. Joseph, I'm waiting for you. You just have a seat. Taylor, take that down from your face. Y'all do a cool pose.
Alrighty, I am like between the bed.
Come together. Hug like you love each other.
Just go ahead, open your eyes.
Remember Japan. Joseph, take that off of your head and don't hold your head so far back. You ready? This is how you're in Japan. 1, 2, smile, Nana.